Hello, in this we see how to fix the Roblox error code to sound. So first we need to clear Roblox cache. So first go to run and write a local app slash Roblox as this one as and click OK. And you can see the Roblox cache file is there or not. If there, you need to delete the Roblox cache. If not available, you can just leave it and go to the method one. In this write a Windows Defender firewall as in this we are going to allow Roblox through firewall as then click allow an app or features to Windows Defender firewall as click it and you can see the pop-up menu will appear. In this you need to click change settings and scroll down and need to check the Roblox is available or not. If it's available is okay, if not available you need to add yes. Now we can see the bottom allow another app is there. You need to click that one as click it and you need to browse and need to add. Before browsing your the exact location, I'm going to Roblox and click open file location and you can see the Roblox is that. So I copy this one. Yes, this and click browse and you need to paste this one here and you can search and you can see easily you can get the Roblox. So open it and you can see add it. So now you can see Roblox is added in the firewall. So it will be in both private and public mode as and click close it. And next method you need to go to device manager, click it and in this network adapter setting is there. Click the network adapter as in this you need to update the drivers. In this which driver you are using, you can update the drivers. If you don't know what drivers are using, then you can update all the drivers. That's no problem. Okay. Yes. After completing, go back and go to search for control panel. In this, click the control panel and you need to click network and internet and network and sharing and click change adapter settings. Yes. And in this, you need to go with it. If you're using Ethernet, you go with Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to click Wi-Fi. Go to properties and go to properties and you can select use this follow DNS server's address and you need to write 8888 and 8844 and click OK and go back. Yes. And the last and final step, you need to reset the network settings. So go to CMD, run as administrator, and you need to click ipconfig // DNS. Yes, click it, click enter, and go to next. NetSH win shock reset. Click reset, and this is the important step. NetSH win int IP reset. Yes, this is important, much more important. And after completing this, all this, you can exit it. Yes. So this is how to fix it.